Hey guys, now we are here at Oakdale Cheese and Specialties, which is located in Oakdale, California. There's a little bit of history in it, but it's mostly about cheese. So let's go and check it out. Oakdale Cheese and Specialties is a cheese shop located in the city of Oakdale, California in the United States. It all began over a century ago in the Netherlands when Adriana den Hartog Rosenboom started a tradition of making Gouda cheese in a room by her farmhouse kitchen, while her husband was milking cows. In 1979, their grandchild, the 29-year-old Walter, left his family's farm and immigrated to California with a passion for agriculture and a dream of building a better life. 2 years later, he met Deniki on a return visit to the Netherlands, and his dreams took off as they were wed and returned to California. Shortly after, they decided that they missed Dutch Gouda and started handcrafting their own cheeses using Walter's grandma's recipes, with the hope that Californians would enjoy their prized recipes as much as Europeans did. And so the legacy of Oakdale Cheese began. They opened the doors of the first cheese plant in 1983. The couple bought their first cheese vat, remodeled a small built barn in the almond orchard in Escalon, and began handcrafting Dutch Gouda, quark, and yogurt. The store started as a self-serve operation in the barn, based on trust. Customers picked out their favorite cheeses from the refrigerator and left cash on the counter. John Dirk, Walter and Leniki's son, is now the head cheesemaker. He graduated with a degree in dairy science and processing from the Cal Poly San Luis Obispo, where he further developed his passion for cheese making. One of his first contributions was adding the highly praised white cheddar to the list of handcrafted cheeses, followed by the golden Swiss and goat Gouda. In 2016, he and his wife Jessica took over running the family business. The wife loves to provide a welcoming environment for all their customers and can often be seen around the property with their young children, Caitlin, Megan, and Ari. In here, see a lot of cheese. Although they have come a long way from the original milk barn, they still make small batches of handcrafted cheese with the same passion as their predecessors. So what kind of cheese do you like?
Swiss cheese actually.
What's that?
Mediterranean food.
Today, they offer several varieties of national award-winning Gouda and other specialties in their expanded full-scale cheese plant in Oakdale, where customers such as us can enjoy their cheese, relax, and have a picnic under the trees next to the pond.
Sabi ko mag-tea party kami, gagawa kami ng mga ganito eh. Hi, Shopski!
Hey guys, I hope you learned something about the history and at the same time enjoy the culinary experience we have here. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! If you like our videos, please click thumbs up for like.
Hit the bell to subscribe!
Please comment.
And don't forget to share!